Hi guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of Goblin Mercenaries from Gundabad Army, Azog Legion, and yeah, let me start with the captain, which is a pretty epic model. And yeah, the armors that these guys are having is pretty awesome. So I really wanted a warband of them, just in his base, just so they can come out randomly on the battlefield. And yeah, the sculpts are pretty awesome. You have a selection of weapons. I'll just show you a few guys because most of them look the same. Crunchy hunchback goblins. So yeah, let me just show you the board, and I'll build them, and then I'll show you how they look built. So a selection of heads. And they look like the Goblin Town guys. Let's just look on the how to build them guide. So you have a selection of how many bomb pick? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bomb picks, 4 swords, no, 8 type of swords, and only bomb pick and swords they have. Captain is with sword, of course. So yeah, a lot of different arms, different weapon selection. Yeah, the captain. Yeah, let me just assemble the horde and then show you guys what I managed to do with them. So what is up guys, I managed to assemble the armored goblins and also to prime them black. As you can see, they are ready to be painted and based, except the captain, which is already based and doesn't want to focus. The sword is a bit bent, but it's the only one who has it a bit bent. So yeah, not a big of a deal. I tried to do 6 with sword and 6 with picks. I tried to do them as different as I could. Don't know if you focus or not. Oh, because it's very black and dark. Let me try here. Yeah, I think once they are painted, they will look better. And this dark color, maybe I shouldn't have gone with black primer because they have a light flash, but the armor is gonna be a nice base for metal, and they are full of metal, these guys. Show a few models assembled. They are pretty nice models, just the head is a bit smaller for my taste. Would have liked it a bit bigger. And I think 2 swords and 2 picks are what is left for the project from this set. In rest I use all the parts. So yeah, not too many remaining weapons for this set. And the pick guys, try to give them 6 different picks and 6 different swords. Sorry of my big hand in the way. Also different arm position I tried. Yeah, I think once painted you can really see them better. Guess even in the box it's more light. But yeah, you guys got the picture. Very nice minis. Can't wait to paint them and base them for my Gundabad army. I also got a bulk and 2 captains, which one captain I want to do exactly like the one in the movie with that spear that he's having. So yeah, stay tuned for that part. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.